boat! Stop the boat! Stand by. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, big sit up guys. Faster, powerful. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first stroke, we're not going to rush. That's our key, the first stroke guys. Powerful, slowly. Powerful, slowly. And then increment. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Team, are you ready?
Ready.
Hang start. When we do the hang start guys, the catch is a bit faster. It means maybe we're gliding, so we don't want to stop. Okay, boat number 4, forward, forward, forward. If we are gliding, we're going to do hang start because we're gliding. Team, are you ready?
Ready.
Hang start. 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dig it guys. Attention. Count everyone. Go! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Guys, we need to perfect the numbers, guys. Okay, stop the boat. Stop the boat, guys. Stand by. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, guys. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 only, guys. The first one, guys. Okay? Give start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Attention! Stand by. Guys, your reaction in the front. You already know that give start. Attention! Go! 1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop the boat. Stand by, water break. Let's do it.